3 weeks ago, we launched a new concrete lifting website for a contractor in Minnesota. And here are the 3 week improvements in terms of Google visibility. And what we're looking at here is just a sampling of different keywords and searches that people might search for to give us a baseline in terms of how well the website is ranking. And this is a look at a variety of different cities in their service area, as well as a variety of different keyword searches. And so what we see here very quickly is any of these that show new, that basically means they didn't have any recordable presence on Google at the start of this. And as you can see now, they have jumped to number one for a variety of new terms. And then the ones that they did have some visibility, number 15, number 19, so really not anywhere that's going to make you any money, they have jumped all the way up to number one. And we can see this is for a variety of different searches: best concrete lifting, commercial concrete lifting, concrete leveling, concrete raising, factory floors, all these different sorts of things that people would be looking for solutions for. Pool deck lifting, warehouses. Again, in a variety of different locations, we have seen the same exact trend line. And most importantly, they are seeing a lot more calls already. So all we did here was build out the website the correct way, taking them from a small brochure style website to now a 40+ page dominant lead generation sales asset tool. So this is the results, and we expect it to grow from here and make them a lot of money.